Hey, I'm here to escape to freedom on the Underground Railroad. What's your name? I'm Tobias. Your name ain't on this list. What do you mean I'm not on the list? Check the list again. Oh, I'm sorry. But do you know how to read? No. Nah, I can't read. I thought so. Look, check the list again. Or go in there and get somebody who's over you. Because I'd hate for this to have to get out to somebody. Okay. Hey, this boy said he gonna tell on us if we don't let him in.
He think he gonna stop us? Stop this? Man, tell him he better beat his feet before we beat his ass. We have his ass weighing in the water.
Y'all fools. Y'all a fool. I'm gonna go ahead and tell him. I'm gonna tell him. All right, I'm gonna tell him. Look, you best go and get up out of here now before some unrighteous stuff happen to you. Hey. Happy Black History Month.